Welcome back! You gonna say
welcome back?
Buddy, welcome back.
So, guess what we're doing today?
Something very exciting.
I'm very excited. Yes. So we're gonna go shopping for little baby.
Yeah, little baby man,
boy.
baby boy.
So we're gonna go shopping for like stuff for his nursery, maybe some clothes, who knows, but probably mainly stuff for his nursery. And we're gonna eventually style his nursery later on.
Yes.
So keep watching so then you can find out what it looks like.
Yes. And if you haven't seen the gender reveal, I will put a card right here so you can go click that video, watch that video, find out what the gender is, even though we just told you.
Just told them.
And then come back to this video if you'd like.
So I'm thinking of going for a Woodland sort of Canadian theme because my husband's Canadian, and so obviously this baby is part Canadian, and it's just a really cute theme, like all woodsy, like have reindeers and bears and real cozy sort of feel.
So those are the things we're looking out for.
Yeah. So I mean, it could change, but that's the kind of vibe
that's
I'm
the
going
inspiration.
All right, very excited. So let's go shopping.
Woo! Excited? Yeah. Oh, it's got a little hat. Oh, that's cute. I love the little hat added. That's always cute.
I know. You gonna hold that? And this one, how cute.
So cute. So cute.
Shopping.
Yeah, we're going shopping.
What do you think, Evie?
This good.
It's good.
So cute.
So cute.
Oh, so cute. Do you like these? Unfortunately, we're having a boy, so this won't suit him, but they'd look good on you, wouldn't they? But they're a bit small.
Uh-oh.
Dolly.
Uh-oh, you dropped your
For your
dolly.
baby brother.
That's naughty. Say sorry.
Sorry.
Hold her. Put her in the straps.
This is literally the
so
cutest
cute.
thing ever.
It's adorable.
Yeah. You like it?
It's so pretty.
You hold it? Ooh, do you think your little brother will look good in that? Looks like it will fit you. Well, there's a lot.
I'm not going to get much clothes today because I know gifts will come in.
Little man with his chino pants.
Says it's not fun to buy for boys. Yeah, that it wouldn't be fun to buy for boys.
Yeah, no, it's actually, these are so cute for decor.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like the 6 months and that's so cool.
That's so adorable.
We have to do that. We have to take photos of the little baby.
It's got like days, years.
Oh, that's so
weeks.
cute.
Oh, that's adorable. What a clever little idea.
You so should do that. Because then you can just use it as decor later on.
Yeah.
How much is it? Oh, it's $8. $8. Very cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to take photos of the little baby. Everyone loves wooden toys these days, eh?
No, it's so popular and I love it.
Yeah. Except for they're still coloured. What is this? Oh, this is cute.
Ooh, it's a dinosaur though.
Oh, we're not doing dinosaurs.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Bears and
Bears.
woodland stuff.
Ah, dang.
That's good.
Somewhat. Kind of close.
This is
What is that?
cute. It's like a little, they're like blocks, but there's like one for a mirror.
bear.
And then there's like a little apple.
Apple. Oh, that's cute.
And there's like a bear.
Would you put that on the shelf sort of thing?
Yeah, definitely. Show me.
Can I see the bear? You show me? Ooh, that's pretty cute.
Mommy. That's mommy.
That's mummy's.
Is it for the baby? How cute are these? They're like from Kmart, $12, and they're like look like snow or cotton or something.
Which is so cool
So it's
for
like
the
really
Woodlands theme.
woodlandsy, wintry sort of
Yeah.
vibe. So cute.
Super cute.
So I could put that on the
Rocking chair.
or something.
And then are you going to put like in the crib or cot crib? Are you going to put pillows in there like a decorative piece like some people do?
Probably when he's little.
Yeah.
But he'll just have a bassinet in the beginning and then
Yeah.
get a cot.
Do you put that in there as well?
No, you shouldn't have anything in the bassinet.
But for decoration for now.
Oh, until it sleeps in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
But this one's a good one because it's not like super baby-like, so it can grow with
Yeah.
him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very smart.
This is kind of woodlandsy, snow-like. It's very cute. I think it's like a runner. If we could find something like this, because this is probably
have a tapestry.
Yeah, that'd be
Hanging
cute.
up.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I
Above
like
the cot or
that.
something.
Yeah, a good little art piece. Love it, love it. Good floor rug too. Oh wow, you look so cute, Evie.
Look, Evie, are we matching?
Was this a mistake or what? How cute, Evie.
No, I just rocked up to the house, Amelia's house, and I was going to wear sandals, but I thought it was impractical because we were walking. But we're matching.
They're matching.
It's so cute.
Do a twirl, spin around.
12.
Wow, you look beautiful. I love it.
Let's take a photo. Take a photo?
Okay.
Come here.
How adorable. This is really cute. TK Maxx honestly has like so many good throws for like under $30. Like if you want to throw TK Maxx.
this one?
Oh, this one's more expensive. Okay, I was looking at this price tag.
$70.
Why is that one more expensive?
It's 100% Belgian linen.
Oh.
Okay, I'm not spending that much on it.
Dang, it's cute as. This rug, we just saw it in our throws, and it's like perfect.
How much is it though?
Okay. For the nursery, like it's a good size for the nursery.
80% wool and 20% cotton. That's really
Oh, that's good. That means it's expensive.
Yeah, probably. It doesn't have a price.
Okay, we'll check the price. But it's like the color theme and the woolly type of snow look.
Yeah. I mean, it's not exactly nice to crawl.
Oh,
on.
really?
It's very rough.
Oh,
Not
no.
exactly pleasant.
Can you layer?
Yeah, well, I mean, if I put the baby down, I can just put something on top of it.
We'll see how much it is.
So we've been to a few shops. We mainly got everything from Kmart and TK Maxx, hey?
Literally, this is just a Kmart and TK Maxx haul.
Yeah, that's
So
it.
let's just say that.
Yeah. So this is a TK Maxx and a Kmart haul, because that's literally where we got everything from. We haven't obviously got everything that we're going to be using for the nursery. I still got to get like maybe a shelf or a side table and a lamp or something, like bigger items.
Yeah, the bigger items. But we've got a lot of decor pieces and they're very cute.
It's so cute.
So if you want inspiration for like woodsy, woodland, snow, sort of Canadian themed baby nurseries or any type of room that's that theme, this is the haul for you because we got some really cute things. All these products are Kmart and then we'll show you the TK Maxx. Okay, first of all, can you see it? Yes.
Yes.
This is from Kmart and
So cute.
it was, how much was
I
it?
think it was like $10, $12.
Yeah, and it has like a snow look on it,
Get closer.
which is so good.
Can they see?
Can you see that?
Oh,
there you go.
It's got like a textured, snowy feel.
And then and the back it's like a, yeah.
So that's nice
A
too.
very natural, neutral, snowy sort of pillow.
So that's gonna probably go on the rocking chair that I've already got, which I use for Evie's room. Okay, so we got this little, so this is a blocks that you can put on a shelf and you can put the age of the child on there, and it's kind of cute decor, but you could also do it like in photos and things like that. So
like
it's
for
very cool.
Instagram photos, updating their age.
How old they are. And it comes, there's like weeks, months, years. It's really cool. It's like a little bear rattle. It's just something simple you could pop in a basket or a toy in his cot or whatever.
Yeah, we got a few like, this actually matches his room,
It
but
does.
it's like a nice linen little manly shirt, so cute, with some nice brown wooden buttons, and this is for when he goes into winter.
So this is our favorite. It's like a little onesie. It's a cotton knit onesie.
Can you
It's got,
imagine the little Woodlands baby nursery and putting him in
It
this?
has a beanie too.
And little photos?
That'd be so cute.
You're gonna
So
see me
adorable.
post him some photos in these,
Ditto.
for sure.
Yeah, so that's adorable. That was like only $19, and it'll be like it'll probably be good for late summer going into early winter and like spring, autumn, fall, whatever you
Pretty
want to
good
call
for
it.
Kmart too. Like,
Yeah, the quality
the
feels
quality
really nice.
is really nice.
Because it's like 100% cotton, so it's really good.
Yeah, and this one's a basic, but how cute is this basic? It's a little
Yeah.
like, what's it called?
Jumpsuit,
Jumpsuit? No,
romper.
romper's a,
Rompers are long.
what's it called? What's the baby one called?
I should know this. The onesies.
Onesie?
Is that a onesie?
I'm just gonna call it a onesie.
This
It's
is like a
onesie.
little baby onesie, t-shirt onesie, and it's
Yeah.
just a natural, neutral one. Also Kmart, like, so cute. And that was $10.
It's a little cute one. It's like stripy. It's got like a little pocket there and some little
Little
wooden
man in
buttons. It's like
So
a
cute.
newborn size, it says. Yeah, newborn. So he'll be rocking that in summer. So cute, and that's $10 as well.
Okay, so going with the Woodlands theme, I actually found this basket at Kmart. It looks like a snow... Okay, look, just look at it. It looks like a snow-capped mountain, goes with the theme, and these look like little, like, bear paw prints, which is so cute. Like, it honestly goes
cute.
well. And then we're thinking, like, it could be maybe Amelia's catch-all basket if the baby brings in some toys and she doesn't want to put it, I don't know, in the cot or something.
Yeah, chuck it in there.
Chuck it in
Or
there.
you could put like rows in it, like wraps, to wrap swaddle
wraps,
swaddles
yeah.
to wrap the baby or
That's a
whatever.
good idea.
Really. So now we shopped at TK Maxx and we got a few little items. So one was our favorite. It's actually like a caddy for like a picnic table or like a dining table where you put your like your cutlery or your sauces and salt and pepper and whatever in. But we're gonna use it for a caddy on the change table.
Yeah.
So I can carry it if I wanted to the next room or downstairs or whatever.
And the colour is
But
like so, like farmhouse,
so,
which is
like,
her
neutrally
style, but it's neutral and
woody
woodsy type of
But I'll
vibe.
just like probably keep it on top and put like baby creams and maybe some wipes in there or something.
It's pretty cute.
It's really cute.
TK Maxx and Kmart are literally my two favourite stores.
This is what Bridie found. It's so cute. It's like, it's not a basket, which I love. It's just different. It's like wood, and I don't know if you can see it. It's like
The
logs.
texture
They
is like
kinda
logs.
look
Yeah, which is perfect
Yeah.
for Amelia's theme.
So I could put it on a shelf. I could put dummies in there or whatever, like dummy straps or anything like that.
or
Really.
even just a little soft toy just sitting in there.
Yeah, just on a shelf is decorative. But it's so cute. And that was $10. And the
$10.
last basket was the caddy. How much was that?
The caddy was $17, so $16.95.
Okay.
This is pretty cute.
I love
and
this.
works so well with the theme.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so it's like a painting of like a wood theme with like pine trees and stuff.
Forest.
Yeah, it's like a forest, that's the word. And it's really hard to tell. It has like a dark wooden frame, but it's actually ripped, like the paper's ripped all the way around.
So it's really nice quality actually.
Yeah.
And it looks really like artsy.
Yeah.
And just kind of ties in the room. Like I feel like it would.
It's gonna bring like a lot of color in, and I might like bring in some greenery and maybe some tree theme to tie it together. But that's the plan, and it was
Pretty
35
cute.
bucks.
Yeah, pretty
And it's
good for an
glass.
artwork price.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Is it glass?
Yeah, it's glass. Pretty sure. I don't want to break and try and find out, but
So that's all we have today for our haul. We love doing these hauls, the TK Maxx and the Kmart hauls.
Yeah.
So subscribe if you want to see more hauls, because I'm sure we'll be doing them before we do room transformations and stuff like that.
hope you love this and keep following so you can follow and see what we end up doing with the nursery.
Yeah.
It'll be adorable. Like and subscribe, and we hope you have a great week, and follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
All right. Have
See
a
ya.
great week. Bye.
So
We did.
first of all, there's a truck behind us.
The year.
And
I love this one.
I'm gonna show this.
Okay.
We also found some really cute clothes because we couldn't help ourselves, and
Yeah.
there's some people walking by, so
So
I'm gonna
awkward.
stop talking to a camera. Yep. Probably autumn actually, because he'll be born closer to autumn.
No, he won't.
Yeah.
Like summer, autumn. Oh yeah, autumn.